Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to add WhatsApp chat button on your WordPress website, right? As you can see, I'm into the admin dashboard and here this is my website Frontend and I just want a WhatsApp chat button over here. Then how I can add that WhatsApp chat button? Let me tell you. Again, I am into the dashboard, admin dashboard, and here we need to install a plugin. So this is the plugin section getting displayed in the left side toolbar, and I will click on add plugin, and here we can simply search for a plugin named Chaty, Chaty, right? And here is the floating chat widget. Install it now, install now. Okay, it has been installed and we are going to activate this plugin. So I have clicked on activate. Mistakenly I have clicked on this button twice, right? But no issues. Okay, this plugin has been installed. As you can see in the left side, the plugin option is started displaying, and here we just need to click on this create widget, select the WhatsApp. Okay, it was already selected. Okay, so I have selected the WhatsApp, and here you can also add phone number as well. If you don't want, you can simply turn it off, but if you want, then you can keep it, right? And here you can mention your phone number, whatever phone number you want to display, right? And I also want the call button, so I am just entering my calling number as well, and that's nice. Okay, enable WhatsApp chat widget. I have turned it on, right? You can also set the welcome message over here, right? Nickname, you can add nickname as well. You can also upload a profile image. You can write your message as well as in text input placeholder, enable emoji picker as well, right? So I'm going to click on next, and this pop-up will be displayed like this. You can select the design as well, right? Whatever the widget icon you want, you can also upload, right? But in that case you need a upgraded version, so there is no need of it, right? Okay, attention, pending messages, whatever, change the title of the page, no, next. You can also adjust the timing when this chat widget should display on the user's screen, after how long, right? And display when visitor is about to leave the page. Okay, display after 0% on page, whatever. So I'm going to click on next and then simply save widget. Okay, I have saved it. Now let me refresh the front end and see if I get it. Yeah, there it is, contact us. And whenever a user click on WhatsApp, then automatically this chat would appear, and when user will type and send, it would automatically redirect the user on WhatsApp. So this is how you can add WhatsApp chat button on your WordPress website. Apart from it, if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.